All right. So I have here a 93 Toyota Camry. And one day I was driving, coming down from work, and all of a sudden, you know, the dashboard lights blinked a little bit. I lost power. Thought maybe it was, fuel issue, but, I was certain I had, a lot of fuel in it. And so it's basically died on me. Lights were still on. I tried to start it. Nothing. Check the relays. Um, all of them were switching pretty good, and uh, kept trying it. Nothing. Looked up and tried to figure out what exactly was going on. Uh, I know a lot of videos there. Seems like the same problem, but uh, you know, looks like the same problem, but you know, maybe with a different cause. I pushed in I ran a scanner on it. Uh, it gave me different code, but that wasn't the case. And so I thought it was a fuel pump problem. Went through, like you can see, the back of the car there. I took out the fuel pump, checked it to make sure, tested to make sure, it's siphoned fuel. It turned out yes, it did siphon fuel, but same problems. You're starting it, nothing. Looked at the dash. While I was starting, the pin, the RPM pin was kind of moving, which made me realize I still had signal from the crank sensor. And so, but again, I wasn't getting spark. That was a problem. I wasn't getting spark. So um, ended up checking my distributor and opened it up. It turned out you know the coil was out. So I kind of replaced that one and started right up. This is my part one. Probably posting out the second part. To show you when it kind of start. When it starts.